chocolate on it.
Now, did you make this?
I'll show you.
Show me. Oh, wow. Did you make it? What has it got in it? Do you remember? You made it yesterday. What has it got in it, Poppy?
I don't remember what we got in it.
Does it have rice bubbles?
Yeah, we always put rice bubbles in it.
And coconut?
Yeah.
And chocolate? And kofa?
No.
Oh, are you enjoying eating that? Oh, let's see. Oh, yum. You enjoying it? You don't want to look at me? I can see you. I can see you. You are funny. See, when you go that way, you have to turn around and come back. Boo! You want to play hide and seek? You look so pretty in that. Boo! You enjoying the chocolate? Crackle?
That's this one.
Now, do you want to do a swing around?
Chocolate crackle.
Chocolate crackle. What did I call it? Crackle chocolate?
Yeah.
Silly Sapta. Hi, how